Well, it's September 9th, Red Brook Farm, September 9th, 2008. Red Brook Farm, apiary. Just going to run down the line here and look at the activity out front of the hive. This is hive number 1. This is the hive that we think may be queenless, with very little brood in it. We did an inspection yesterday and we're trying to let the weather clear up again. A lot of house bees, a lot of nurse bees out front. Hive number 2. Cleaning up, getting the water off, getting the moisture off. Front, hive number 2. Hive number 3. Hive number 4. Hive number 5. This is the third of 3 nukes we put in this year. Looks like a lot of newer nurse bees out here, house bees. Appears to be a little bit of defending of the hive here all across the board. We are cleaning out the honey supers from yesterday, about 30 yards away, and the foul weather and whatnot. I don't know if there's a few girls getting mixed up where they're going or what. Hive number 7. Hive number 8. First of what we had, what I call the Saco hives, which hadn't had a lot of attention. We brought them up from Saco, and they started basically, they were 1 frame deep in 1st of July. And we really got them stabilized here, but as you can see, much less activity. We're going to get into that hive tomorrow.
Alarm rescue, stand by for an out-of-town box for the town of Wynnum.
This was a swarm hive that swarmed in 1st of June. All of these hives here, with the exception of 2, we took a full super off this year. So this is September 9th, which is after we extracted the supers. Hive number 10, another one of those Saco hives. Much less activity, as you can see. Took a super off yesterday. And this hive down here looks like a little misfit, but she's number 11. This hive swarmed 2 days ago. This is a swarm that I caught on the property 2 days ago. And it's actually done pretty well. I put it in a shallow up top. It has I just looked at it, she's already drawn almost the whole shallow up top and put an extra way.